In this video, we're going to look at how to interpret scales on a range of measuring instruments. If you're revising, you can pause the video and have a go at those questions straight away, and then I'll reveal the answers. So we're really trying to figure out where these arrows are pointing towards. So in the first one, you need to see two numbers that are indicated. There's no numbers indicated here, so find two numbers first of all, 68 and 69, and then figure out how many little lines or notches are in between them. So we've got between 68 and 69, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is halfway, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you're talking about those 10 notches, and that each notch added up together, 10 of them, is going to represent 1 centimeter from 68 to 69. So you've got 1 centimeter. So if you only had one of those notches, that's going to be 1/10 of a centimeter, or 0.1 centimeters. So 68, 68.1, 68.2, 68.3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 68.7. Now, you probably thought it was really obvious and you're about to stop the video, but I need to emphasize that this maybe simple questions, that's your technique when it gets harder, when you can't see. You get two measurements, so here 69, 68 and 69 again. You see how many notches there are between, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this case. So 5 is 1 centimeter this time. So if you divide a centimeter by 5, that means that one of the notches would be 0.2 centimeters. So we've got 68.2, 68.4, 68.6. Okay, next one, we've got 5 and 8. So the distance between the two numbers that we have is 3. So I'd be saying that 3, or no, how many notches are there between those two numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the 6 notches is representing 3. There's no units here. So if you only had one notch, that would be 3 divided by 6, which is 0.5. So each notch has gone up 0.5. Okay. Find how many notches there are. Divide this distance, which is 3, by the number of notches. 3 divided by 6 is 0.5. So each is 0.5. So we've got 5, 5.56, 6.57, 7.58. So even though I knew you got 5.5 as the answer, I wanted to keep going to make sure it matched up with 8. It's a nice little check. And last one, I actually paused the video and started again on this one because I was overcomplicating it. You can use different strategies, so I'm going to change it up a little bit. You've got 20 to 30, and I got these bigger notches. I know halfway between 20 and 30 would be 25. And then halfway between 20 and 25 is here. That would have to be 22.5. So what that does is it really narrows the question down between these two to help me instead of counting a million notches. So how many notches have we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 notches is worth this distance here, which is between 22.5 and 25, which is 2.5. So one notch would have to divide that 2.5 by 10 to get 0.25. So I'm not going to count up in 0.25s, might sort of mess with your head. It might be fine. Maybe it will actually. 22.5, 22.75, 23, 23.25. So your answer is 23.25. That's it.